Oh yeah, guys, the packages have landed. I don't even know how we're gonna get into all of these today, but we're gonna try. So guys, what you see behind me is everything from Yeezy Day, and then there's like a couple different orders that I made throughout like the past week or so. And then I've got a bunch of Yeezy, Gap, and Balenciaga stuff. It seems like literally everything I ordered from that second drop, they're sending me individually for some reason. So let's get this party started and let's start opening some boxes. Of course, I'm gonna need this. All right, let's start off with this one. I believe I know what it is because this is like one that's just been sitting in the back of my car for the longest time. This is a pair of Yeezy slides, and I guess this is from the last restock. This is the Onyx colorway. Ah, man, it's so nice to have a retail hit on a pair of slides. I enter so many raffles and I never get slides and foam runners. I've probably shown you a million times, but mine are getting super bummy and super warped. Like if you take a look at mine, they're literally a different shape to like a brand new pair. Let me know if you guys hit on the last restock of the Yeezy slides. I mean, it was ages ago. Maybe let me know if you hit on slides on Yeezy Day. Next up, I'm actually super excited to see what these things look like. This is a pair that I ordered a month and a half ago, I would say. Like the only Nike order that comes in a box that looks like this. A Nike Dunk by You. These are crazy. This is, I guess, what I created in the latest colorway. This is actually a newer version of the Dunk by You that we've got available here in the UK. It's called Dunk by You Unlocked. Now, I think that basically means that the amount of materials or different designs that you can add to your sneaker is just like way more. Like you can do paisley print and stuff like that. And of course, we know by now, I talk about this all the time, but the leather on Dunk by You's is super, super clean. Kind of looks like a UNC blue or like a university blue. I'm not entirely sure. It's quite bright. It's definitely brighter than like a Kentucky pair. I am sold on Dunk by You's. Forget the GR versions. This is what I'm enjoying at the moment. So yeah, let me know what you think of these, but let's keep it moving. Right, I think this is going to be the first of the many packages that I got from Balenciaga, and I mean, what the hell is in here? This feels like literally nothing is in here. I assume what they've done is just sent me like a cap in this huge box. Oh, this is oh my god. This is the freaking face mask. They literally sent me this box to put this little face mask inside. Why? I don't really want to open it just yet because I kind of want to do a dedicated video. We'll save this one for a later date. Let's see what else we got. This also feels practically empty. And this box is even bigger. Oh, yeah, okay. How freaking unnecessary is that? This is the flame cap. I just want to feel like, is it good quality? Because this is very expensive stuff. It's quite a sick little cap right there. So here you go. This is the Gap and Balenciaga cap. For the most part, it feels like a regular cap. We've also got this embroidered flame at the front, which I think looks really sick. One thing that I'm not a fan of is freaking Velcro. I hate Velcro adjustment pieces. Right, and we got one more Yeezy, Gap, Balenciaga items. This one's a little bit more straightforward. Honestly, got so much stuff from the last drop, I can't even remember what I ordered. Okay, so this is, I guess, the tiny logo. Bruh, look at how small that logo is. I think this is the double layer cropped t-shirt, so it's pretty much the same as the no seam one. It's literally just different branding, so no dove on the back. It's just a plain t-shirt. Man, I kind of prefer the one with the dove on the back. I mean, hey, it looks pretty cool. I'm sure this is going to be a nice fit because I loved the fit of the other one. Let's get into the Yeezy Day stuff. All right, I don't think I need this knife anymore. They've all got pull tabs. But the crazy thing is, I think pretty much everything I ordered from Yeezy Day are shoes that I've like never had in hand. Oh, okay. Guys, this is a pair of 500. This is the Super Moon Yellow. Why do I feel like these are so much more yellow than they were before? Like, I feel like they were more green in the past. I'm sure they're identical to the Super Moon Yellows. I just can't remember exactly what they looked like. I think a decent amount of people were pretty excited to get these things in. I mean, they're nice. They're clean. They're gonna go with a lot of different fits because it's relatively earthy with the color. What do we think, guys? How you liking these? Let's set these off to the side. Let's get into the next one. Oh yeah, of course. I can't forget about about these. This is the core reds, or the red stripe, or the core black, whatever the hell you want to call them. I actually unboxed these yesterday because I wanted to do a review on them. So review is up on the channel. My most exciting W of the day. Like, having these things is a pretty big deal because I just wanted them so much back in the day. So yeah, super stoked on these, but we're not going to get into it because, again, full review is up if you want to check that out. All right, next one. Oh, they're gonna play with us. We don't know what it is. It's a 350. I've never seen these in hand before. I've just always wanted them but never seen them. These are the Hyperspace 350s. And these things are clean. It's, I guess, like a kind of minty color, slightly greenish. This is one of the more interesting colors, I think. I think, like, maybe this is from 2019 where they were putting out some really cool colorways of the 350, just like quite complex in terms of the look. Yeah, so this is a fresh made pair. The 2022 is the date. They're actually produced in February of this year, so that's pretty interesting. Let's see if the sizing is the same as normal Yeezy 350s. Yeah, sizing feels the same. And I like the way that they look on foot. Right, I know what this one is. This one's not gonna be for me. Pair for my girlfriend. To be honest, I don't know if I should be opening this. Probably should be her opening this. Oh yeah, we got the analogs. This is another pair of shoes that I've never seen in hand. But yeah, this is a pair that my girlfriend really wanted. I would have been happy with my size, but she wanted them a lot more than I did. And it was like the only one she wanted on Yeezy Day. So to be fair, I've got 3 pairs of shoes. I don't necessarily need another one. But yeah, I think it's a really solid colorway. I hope these fit her. I don't know. We'll go find out. I got you a present. Unbox it.
Man, these are so nice. They're like my Oswegas. I love this color. Right. Can you sort these out? This is the comfiest one I've put on my foot so far.
What, out of all Yeezys?
Yes.
Damn.
350s, hate them. I don't know what it is with the 350s. As soon as I put my toe in, it cramps. Those ones,
380s,
hideous.
So she approved of them. She loves them, and she even said that they're more comfortable than 350s. That leaves us with one final pair. I don't know whether this is more exciting than the core blacks, but I don't know why, but I just feel like it might be. This is another one. I think Yeezy Day was so successful because it's like all sneakers that I've like always wanted and just was never able to get. This ain't a V1. This ain't a V2. This is, in fact, a V3. Let's go. This has got to be the cleanest colorway. I don't know. I'm just a huge fan of like light colors. So this is one that, yeah, I've always wanted from the V3 line, but it was a US exclusive and it was just insanely expensive on the aftermarket. This was like the only expensive 700 V3 that was out there. This had probably one of the sharpest declines in price I've seen out of like any sneaker on Yeezy Day. I think these are going for like retail on the aftermarket, which, hey, listen, if that's what it takes for me to get a pair in hand, I'm all for it. I don't want to get too excited. I want to try them on real quick. It's a bit tight, but I can make this work. Yeah, that's fine. That fits perfect, just like any other 700 V3. Damn, but there we go. One of my favorite sneakers in the collection. These are going straight to feet, by the way. But man, that pretty much wraps it up. That is all these sneakers that we got to take a look at. I am surrounded by boxes once again. Let me know your W's from Yeezy Day down in the comment section and let me know what you think of them. Thank you so much for coming through, hanging out for yet again another video. Thank you for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Got to be. But until then.